Deciphering the phrase, tip out. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, tip out. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, and how and when to use it. So let's jump right in. The phrase, tip out, can be broken down into two words, tip and out. Literally, to tip, something means to tilt or overturn it, while out suggests a direction away from the current position. When combined, tip out generally means to pour or empty something out of a container. For example, I accidentally tipped out all the water from the jug. In the context of restaurants and other service industries, tip out has a very specific meaning. Here, it refers to the practice of sharing tips. Waitstaff, after receiving tips from customers, might tip out a portion of their earnings to support staff like bussers, bartenders, or cooks. For example, after my shift, I need to tip out 10% of my earnings to the bartender. Now that you know the meanings, let's see them in context. 1. Literal use. Can you please tip out the old coffee and make a fresh pot? 2. Service industry use. The servers at the restaurant tip out at the end of every night, ensuring everyone gets a fair share. There you have it. Tip out can either mean pouring something out or sharing earnings in the service industry. We hope this video clarifies any confusion you had about this phrase. Remember, English is full of phrases with multiple meanings, and understanding the context is key. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work in your English learning journey.